2004 Chevrolet Silverado, 3/4 ton heavy duty, and it's the single cab with the 8-foot long box. With the 6.6 liter Duramax turbo diesel engine. "16-inch factory chrome alloy wheels with Michelin tires all the way around that are in great condition. It's got the window visors with the trailer tow package. The truck also has airbags in the rear as well, little valves in the back here to pump it up. You can see the airbags right there. It also has the pull-out tow mirrors as well. With the 6-speed standard transmission, CD player, air conditioning, dual climate control, and for mileage this Duramax diesel has 223, 469. The interior is all in excellent condition as well. It's got the flip-up middle seat in the center as well. It's got some cup holders. Aftermarket. It's got electric brake module for towing a trailer with trailer brakes. And you can view the single cab Duramax diesel at Kolenberg Motors at 3537 Couch and Lake Road in Duncan.